This POS system is created with Microsoft Access. You must have MS Access installed to operate this POS system. Streamline your business operations with our all-in-one MS Access POS system. Perfect for small and medium-sized businesses, this software is designed to efficiently handle your sales, inventory, and customer management needs. First, extract this zip file. And this is your POS system. First, you need to enable the content from Access Dashboard. Then you can work with this system. You can add new products to the system with the New Product section. Go to the New Product section and add your product details. Then click the Save button. Click the Add New Product button to add a new product. You can see the product details in the Product Details section. If you want to edit the details, you can edit from this table and click the Edit button. You can update product stock from the Update Stock button. Enter your new stock amount and click the Update button. Then it will automatically update the stock. Click on New Customer section to add new customer to the system. Then you can add customer details and click on Save button. Go to Customer Details section to view all customer details. You can edit and delete details from here, just like in the Product Details section. Now let's go to the Settings section. You can add your business details to this section. This details will show in your invoices that this POS system generate with sales. Double-click on Logo Image. Then you can choose your logo from your computer and click on OK button. After, click on Save button to save details. Now we can go to New Order section to add new sales. You can select your customer or add a new customer from here. The date and time are set automatically. Now you can add items to the bill. Select the product and add its quantity and click the Add Item button. You can add discounts and order notes from here. After clicking the Save Order button, it then saves your order details and updates your product stock automatically. And it automatically generates the invoice. If you don't need to add every customer to the system, then make new customer as walk-in customer and save their sales by selecting to walk-in customer as customer name. Go to Order Details section to view previous order details. If you want to change the order details, you can change them by clicking the Edit button. After editing the details, click on Edit button. You can also see previous order invoices by clicking the Invoice button. You can also search and filter orders from here. You can also filter orders by date range from here. And you can also delete order by clicking Delete Order button. In the Customer Details section, you can select the customer and click on Orders to view all his order history. Now let's go to our dashboard of POS System. There you can see all of your today's sales details and sum of total amount. You can also see product stocks from here easily. Let's see our analytics section now. You can see your business analytics from this section. Take control of your business today with this powerful and reliable solution. What do you think about our POS system? Comment about it below.